This 2017 Ford Transit Wagon is brought to you by AFS Ohio. One owner, clean Carfax, 15 passenger. This vehicle is like new. Tires are like new. This Transit comes equipped with automatic, power running board, privacy glass, FRT, rear AC, backup camera, park assist, rear window defrost, traction control, Bluetooth, AM, FM, MP3, CD, illuminated visor, vanity mirror, power windows, power locks, cruise control, tilt wheel, power mirrors and amp, all-wheel ABS. Balance of factory warranty. 1 and amp, number 39, T last long at this price. Visit us at AFSOhio.com.